What we have here is a list of construction projects for a construction company servicing, of course, the municipalities in South Africa, because infrastructure is in such a bad way. So let's have a look. Group by is going to ask the following. Firstly, the row fields. So you want to align things in a row in the little table that you're about to create, and I would suggest choosing the range like that. There we go. And then your values, in this case, I'm going to be choosing the revenue, what it costs, okay? And then I'm going to be choosing the function, which is sum. And that's very simple. Look, I'm going to widen the column. And the best thing about this is that it's dynamic. It's not like the original pivot tables, which had to be refreshed manually. Watch here. If I change a value, it's going to update automatically. The group by function can be done on another sheet. There, for example, one, and look at changes, changing it back. Good. Now let's do the pivot by function, which is going to add rows and columns, which effectively creates a pivot table. Look at that, pivot by, and then open the brackets and the row fields, just like the last one. So I'm going to select the project manager here, and then the column fields, I'm going to select the project name. And then the values, in this case, I'm going to ask for the total hours worked on the job. Right. And then I can choose the function sum, close brackets, and watch this. A little pivot table is created over there. Isn't that fantastic? Also dynamic, just like the group by. It creates all the data that you need. Very different to the old pivot tables, with a few advantages, of course.